A completed video when editing is nice, but that 20 to 30 minutes session of cutting up the raw clips, that is very stressful. Premiere Pro came up with text-based editing and it was cool, but sometimes I think other people also get the issue of it not being able to detect some stuff. Then I came across this AI editing plugin for Premiere Pro. This helps you cut up these raw clips in just a few minutes, maybe seconds. The plugin is Easy Timeline. It has a bunch of features like cutting up raw clips, removing black screens in editing and other stuff. But the main focus is cutting up raw clips to save you that 20 to 30 minutes.
So you select the clip and you go to the plugin and scan the clip. After scanning the clip, so you choose the silence level you want to cut off, so about neg 29, and then the minimum silence length I want about 0.3 seconds, and then you come down to run auto silence cut remover, and then this automatically starts to cut off all the silences in the clip, and it's that simple.
The link to downloading this plugin is in my description and it is free, by the way. For more video editing tips like this and tutorials, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Leave a comment on what you want to learn next. I am Edney and I'm out.